Okay, today I'm going to show you how to make a strawberry bisque, and if you stay tuned at the end, I'll show you how to remove the top of the strawberry head. So we have 3 cups of strawberries. Let's slide that in. And so I can fit everything in there, I'm going to go ahead and give it a light blend. Be right back. Is 3/4 cups of sugar. I want to put flour in there. And then the next ingredient, I'm going to put almond milk. And it's going to be 1.5 cups. And I like to use the almond milk that has the vanilla in it, and it's the unsweetened. And then I like this creamer. It is coconut creamer, and I'm going to use right at 1/4 cup. And then I'm going to go ahead and put some more vanilla in there, and I'm going to use 1 teaspoon. The next ingredient I'm going to put in there is 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. And then I'm going to give that a mix. I have it all mixed up. I'm going to put it in a bowl. It's pretty good. You can add some fresh strawberries to it. Should have cut these up just a tiny bit smaller. And I have some fresh mint that I picked out of the garden. You can eat it up and chew on the leaves. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. It's strawberry bisque, or a cold soup. If you liked our video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to share it to a friend. Tips coming up next. Little tip on how to remove the head of your strawberry. Just circle your spoon. It pops right out.